Today we'll learn to save and load stuff by using PlayerPrefs. PlayerPrefs in Unity is a class that stores player preferences between game sessions. To demonstrate this, we'll create a simple game where we can save and load different words. Let's get started. Here, I just have a simple canvas setup, so first, let's make our save and load buttons. Now, to get input from the player, we'll use an input field. As you can see, if I hit play, I can write whatever words in the input field, but we can't save or load it yet. To do that, we'll create a script. Here, first we'll declare our input field and name it input for now. And don't forget to add the namespace Unity Engine.UI in text mesh pro, if you are using the TMP input field. Now we'll create two separate functions for our buttons, one to save the word and other to load it. To save the word, we'll create a string in PlayerPrefs and call it name. Now we'll store whatever text the player has provided in the input field. To see if it's working, we'll simply print the word out in console when we press the load button. To do that, simply write debug.log and then get the PlayerPrefs string to print it out. Now, save the script and head into Unity. Drag and drop your script to any object. Drag and drop the input field in the script. Also select the Save button, hit the plus button, drag and drop the object with script. Click the drop down, go to our script and select the Save function we created. Do the same for the Load button and assign the Load function to it. Now let's hit play and see if it's working. As an example, I'll write in the input. Let's save the word and exit game mode. And now if I hit play again and click on load, you can see the console prints out. That was a quick introduction to using PlayerPrefs in Unity.